In this video we're going to have a look at the order of operations, which you may know as BODMAS. Okay, and this is an agreed convention across the world on how to carry out calculations in the correct order so that there's no confusion. Okay, so for example here, 36 plus 2 times 5. Well, do we have to do the addition first, the multiplication first? Because we need to make sure that we're consistent across the globe when we do this. So if we refer back, we can remember this with the use of BODMAS. BODMAS. And we can also think of this like in terms like different levels, like here. So the B stands for brackets. So if ever I see brackets, I would do them first. O stands for order, or of. D stands for division. M for multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Okay, so we'll just kind of use this to try and carry out some examples. So we've got 36 plus 2 times 5. So let's have a look at the two operations. We've got addition and multiplication. We've got addition and multiplication. Do you notice, or do you see how multiplication is higher up on this triangle? Because it's higher up in the triangle, we'd perform that calculation first. So what we're going to do is we're going to work out 2 times 5. Okay, so 2 times 5 is 10. And then we're going to add 36 to that, and we're going to get 46. Example 2. 28 plus 12 divided by 4. Let's have a look. So we've got addition and we've got division. So here we would do the division first. However, I'm going to change the question slightly. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this first part here inside a bracket, and that changes the emphasis of the question, because now we can see that we've got a bracket and then we've got some division. So we need to work out the bracket first. 28 plus 12 is 40, which we then need to divide by 4, which would give us our 10. If we did not have the bracket, if the question was this here, well, we would have to do the division first. So this would become 3, and 28 plus 3 would give us 31. Okay, so we can see how the importance of the bracket here can really change how we view and perceive a question. Example 3, 100 multiplied by 5 divided by 250. Okay, so I'll just zoom back in here. BODMAS. Okay, so let's have a look at our two operations. We've got multiplication and we've got division. So we've got multiplication and division here. Do you notice how both of these operations are on the same level? Because they're on the same level, we can just do this calculation left to right. So we can just do it in this order here. Okay, so we can just do 100 times 5, which is 500, and then we can divide that by 250, which will give us 2. Last one, example 4. 18 plus 3 times 4 plus 2. Okay, so once again, if we think about this, let's think about what operations do we have here. We've got adding, multiplying, and addition. But once again, I'm going to chuck in a wee bracket here, just to give us a chance to have a look at it. So what have we got? We've got a bracket, we've got some multiplication, and we've got some addition. But because bracket is at the top of BODMAS, we need to evaluate that first. So we need to work out, 4 plus 2, which is 6. Notice how I put the answer directly underneath that, and everything else I'm just going to bring down. Okay, so we're now at this stage here, 18 plus 3 times 6. So once again, have a look. We've got addition and multiplication. Okay, addition and multiplication. Well, multiplication is higher up, so I need to do that first. So 3 times 6 is 18. Once again, I put the answer to that problem underneath. Okay, so it's going to become 18 plus 18, which is going to give us 36.